All right, in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to use the descriptive statistics. So this analysis toolpak is pretty fancy pants. You can do a lot of stuff with it. I just want to see what the average, median, all kinds of stuff about the lean mass, the total lean mass. So I'm going to click, I went to a sheet, I copied in gender, a couple other things in pounds, and I just want to see what this column, the average, the median, and measures of centrality, which is in your reading. It's really important to look at your reading for this because it explains it pretty well there. But let's go to this data analysis. So I'm going to go, if this is my home tab, I'm going to click data. I've already uploaded, put in the analysis toolpak. There should be this data analysis button. Click that, and there's a descriptive statistics. So I'm going to check that. And I'm going to actually cross this out so that we can start from scratch. Let's go back up here. If I highlight here, this first column, let me X that out, and then I hit a shift down button, control shift down button, it automatically gives me the entire, so that's control shift down at the same time, the down arrow at the same time. I wish I could take a picture of what my fingers are doing on the keyboard. That's going to give you the entire column highlighted. So you don't have to scroll down like I did on the other video. And I'm going to have group by columns here, labels in first row, and I'm going to have the data go into another worksheet. I don't like to mess everything up for this data sheet. I like to have everything on separate data sheets. And so that's going to give me all this summary, what we call summary statistics. The average in the US, average lean mass is about 115 pounds. The median is it's a few pounds lower than the mean. That's pretty interesting. We're going to talk about standard deviation in class, but standard deviation is measured in the same units, so it's 27.75 pounds. It means that you have some spread of the data, about 27.75 pounds spread of the data to the right and left. We're going to show you that in a second, what that means. And you have the max and the min lean mass. So you have a very small 47 pounds. That 47 pounds of lean mass in an adult is very low. And then you have on the highest range 270.5 pounds. So this gives you the range. And it used 10,896 observations, individuals, to calculate this summary statistic. So it gives you all the information all at once.